The sun's first rays danced playfully across the cerulean waters of the Indian Ocean, each ripple catching the light and sparkling like diamonds. In that magical dawn, as the world began to awaken, our story begins, a journey through the breathtaking beauty of the Maldives, an archipelago that has captured the hearts of adventurers, romantics, and wanderers alike. As we navigated through the 1-200 islands threaded into 26 atolls, the Maldives unfolded like a treasure chest. Each island a gem, each lagoon a shimmering oasis. Our expedition brought us to the capital, Malé, a bustling center of culture and commerce nestled amidst the azure waves. Here the streets pulse with the rhythm of everyday life, infused with the sense of local cuisine, the colors of vibrant markets, and the sounds of laughter shared among friends. Malé isn't just a gateway to paradise, it's a vibrant tapestry woven with the rich threads of history and tradition, where the past meets the present. The Maldives, towering a mere 1.8 meters above sea level, holds the distinction of being the world's lowest country. This unique attribute lends a certain magic, yet also a vulnerability to the effects of climate change, a poignant reminder that this paradise is not static, but rather a living entity shaped by nature and time. As we roamed the city, we learned about the traditions that run deep in the heart of the Maldivian people. Religion and culture breathe life into this spirited community, with Fridays reserved for prayers and families gathering to share meals and stories, creating a sense of togetherness that is palpable in the air. Our adventure led us beyond the city's embrace to the islands, each revealing its own rich personality. One such island was Mafushi, nestled within the Kafue Atoll. This island has transformed over the years, overcoming the shadows cast by the 2004 tsunami, emerging stronger, adorned with charming guest houses and welcoming smiles. Local artisans proudly displayed their crafts, inviting us to take home a piece of their rich heritage, while the pristine beaches offered tranquility to those seeking solace. One unforgettable rendezvous was with Fuamula, the third largest island and the only one formed from volcanic rock. Stepping onto its shores felt like entering another world. Here, lush tropical woodlands greeted us, interspersed with freshwater lakes. An ecosystem that flourished with life. From the rare catfish darting in the waters to the colorful birds flitting through the trees. The island's white pebble beach turned into a natural lagoon thanks to the Pizzelli phenomenon, drawing us to its shores like a siren's call. Amidst the sprawling beauty of the Maldives, we couldn't miss the tranquility of Hinavaru, where the locals thrived on fishing and farming. Their connection to the land and sea was unbreakable, a testament to their resilience. Vibrant community life unfolded as we explored, showcasing traditional dances and culinary delights that warmed our hearts. The generosity of the village left a lasting impression, a reminder that a smile can bridge any cultural divide. In our quest to uncover hidden treasures, we stumbled upon Kuradu Island, a haven for thrill seekers. The moment we plunged into the crystal-clear waters, surrounded by schools of tropical fish and sea turtles gliding gracefully by, time seemed to stop. Snorkeling and diving became a dance with the ocean, where every glance beneath the surface revealed a world brimming with color and life. Lush vegetation enveloped the island, creating a tranquil backdrop for our escapades, be it lounging on the beach or indulging in the local flavors served with warm smiles. But our journey didn't stop with the sun's descent. Venturing into the night, we found ourselves on a sunset cruise, bobbing gently on the waves aboard a traditional Maldivian dhoni. As the fiery sun kissed the horizon goodnight, a sense of peace settled over us. The dusky sky transformed into an artist's palette, hues of orange and purple swirling together, reflecting in the calm waters. It was as if time itself held its breath, allowing us to bask in the sheer beauty of nature. In the heart of the islands, we discovered Thulasdu, renowned for its vibrant culture and infamous surf breaks. The rhythmic crashing of waves provided the backdrop as we participated in local festivals, where traditional music filled the air and storytelling wove us into the fabric of Maldivian life. Each performance, each laugh shared, brought us closer to the soul of the island, a reminder that every destination echoes with the stories of those who call it home. As our exploration continued, we visited the quieter shores of Thodu, a lush agricultural hub known for its watermelon production. Here, life moved at a gentle pace, and we watched as locals tended to their farms, their laughter ringing like a melody in the stillness of the fields. With each bite of the sweet, juicy fruit, we were reminded of the earth's gifts, harvested with love and dedication. It was in these smaller, less visited islands where we experienced the true essence of the Maldives, where the charm of tradition and the warmth of community flourished, untouched by the distractions of the world. Our final destination beckoned from far away, Dahalu Atoll, a remote paradise where the ocean and sky intertwined seamlessly. It was here we found solace, a sanctuary where we could lose ourselves in the mesmerizing beauty of the Maldives. The serene surroundings invited reflection and appreciation for the vibrant ecosystems thriving beneath the surface, urging us to be stewards of this paradise. As our adventure drew to a close, we took a moment to reflect on our journey, the breathtaking vistas, the shared smiles of the locals, and the ever-present spirit of the ocean. Each island whispered its own tale, woven into the larger narrative of this beautiful archipelago. The Maldives, with its stunning landscapes and rich cultural heritage, cast a spell on us, leaving indelible memories that would echo in our hearts for years to come. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like.